On that, the Supreme Court ruling, to me, it is a victory for Ebonyans, victory for democracy, victory for total emancipation of Ebonyi people, victory for people's charter of need. And Nwifuru, the executive governor, who is the beneficiary of a charter of equity, has also enshrined what I call people's charter of need.
No more, nobody will disturb him again. Judgement this, judgement that. He will now relax and do his work very well and take care of Ebonyi State more.
Idea on how to move the state forward, and that is exactly what I am appealing to others. I am appealing to others. We are all brothers and sisters. This state belongs to us. If we get it out from relegation, it is for our betterment. It can happen during your time, and everybody will beat chest and say it happened during my time. I want it to happen during my time, and everybody should come. It is a teamwork.
What we'll be able to witness in the past 7 months were derived from a budget the governor didn't originate himself. Now that he has collected his visions in a budget that he is going to begin implementation, what the people of Ebonyi is going to get in this year 2024.